Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video for you guys. I'm going to show you how I color and treat my hair. Then I'm going to show you how I treat my skin for anti-aging. Then I'm going to show you guys a makeup look that I've been reaching for. It's super easy and I love how natural it looks. But first I want to thank today's video sponsor, and it is CurrentBody Skin. They sent this device to me a little while ago and I am just quickly falling for it. So I will show you guys a little later on all about it, so stay tuned. So we're going to start with coloring our hair, and I'm going to be mixing two colors together. First I do the actual color, then I do a pure pigment, which is going to really intensify the red. And my husband actually formulated this for me when I had a pixie cut. I haven't used it in my longer hair, so I wasn't truly sure how it's going to like it. But I can tell you I'll be sticking with this color for a very long time because I truly love how golden it makes my skin look. And so yeah, I'm going to keep on using it. So you want to mix your color till it looks like a nice creamy deep conditioner, like one that you know is going to give you great slip. That's the consistency you're looking for. I always start in the front of my hair because I want to make sure that I get all those hairs to really take the color, and I go all around the perimeter, so anywhere that people are going to see, you want to make sure that you put it there first, so all around your hairline all the way towards the back. Try not to get this all over your forehead or else it will be really hard to take out. I hate when you can see like a line of color around someone's head. So you want to make sure you're just putting it on those little hairs on your forehead, but or around your hairline, but not all the way onto your forehead. Then I start to split my hair in the front where I usually wear my parts, and I do small sections, slicing and applying color to both front and back. So you see now I'm putting it on the back of that front piece to really make sure that all the pieces are saturated, especially that I have curly hair. It can be easy to miss something. And then once it's all over my hair, I start to smooth it from the top to the bottom to really spread that color out. And then I apply my cap for 45 minutes and then I rinse. So here is the rinsed look, and as you can see my hair is so vibrant and intense. But now I'm just going to put a deep conditioner on the ends of my hair to really make sure that I can lock in moisture, because color, no matter what, will always strip your hair of its moisture. So then I brush that through, and I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. And while I do that, I'm going to show you guys this new device. Like I mentioned before, I love all things anti-aging, and CurrentBody Skin LED Mask is one of my new favorite devices ever. And the reason I say that is because one, I love a product that I don't have to replenish. I can just plug this in and relax. And also, this mask has great clinical results and it was very easy to use. They sent over these hydrogel face masks that are formulated for the LED light. And now you don't want to use any kind of face mask underneath this light, and these are formulated for it, so it's very safe to use. This is going to help get better results faster. So yeah, if you want to use a mask, I definitely recommend using one of their face masks to go underneath the device, or you can just go straight with your clean face and it works just as good, just not as quickly. The science behind this mask is super simple. The red light stimulates the wound healing cells in the skin, which is going to help fresh new skin to form. Some of the information that stood out for me was during their clinical trials, this device reduced wrinkles by 35% in 4 weeks, and 100% of their users said that their face was more plump after using this device with the hydrogel mask. Once your treatment is up, the light will shut off and then you're done. Now it's time to finish my hair, and I rinse out that deep conditioner and I put a little bit of gel. I use the Eco Styler gel on my edges, and then I'm just going to apply a leave-in conditioner all over and diffuse. I like to part my hair this way and then set the curls to the front where my bangs are. This way it could dry and I can pick it out into an afro. Now for my skin, I'm just going to apply a little bit of a glow moisturizer and then this foundation, which, my goodness, look guys, this is like the most perfect match where sometimes I have to look up close to see where I'm putting it, because I've never had a foundation match my complexion so well. Look, I can actually walk out my house with just foundation and it will look like my skin is just naturally flawless. Yeah. Once I set everything, I'm going to go in with my contour product. I like to use a foundation that's darker than my complexion for my contour because it's more skin-like of a color and it's not too orangey or too gray. It just looks perfect. Then I'm just going to apply some warmth around my eyes. This is literally what I do. I like to take an orange color, apply it around my eyes, then maybe use a little bit of bronzer in the crease as well, and that's it. Literally, you could put a little bit of highlighter inside your inner corners. I'm going to do that for this video, but sometimes I just like use my own eyelid color and I just put a little bit of warmth and definition where I need it, and that's it. So lately I've been totally skipping falsies and layering on mascara because I've been really enjoying the length and fullness of my natural lash and just how natural everything looks. And so yeah, I do that. I apply a little bit of a creamy eyeliner to my waterline and it makes everything just look so pretty and natural and not overdone, but you just look so well together and I love it. So this is the completed look, and I really want you guys to check out CurrentBody Skin because they have some amazing products, and this is one of the ones that you definitely want to put on your Christmas list. And check out their link below. I'll have all the information for you. Till my next video, stay beautiful.